Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's start our lesson number 6, Ad-Darsu Sadis. Let's learn what we are going to learn in this lesson. In this lesson, we will learn Hadihi, which is the feminine of Hada. Hada, we will learn about meaning this. So Hadihi also meaning this, but this is for female. It is pronounced Hadihi, but the alif is omitted in writing. Hada waladun wa hadihi bintun. This is a boy and this is a girl. Nouns. Number 2, what we will learn? Nouns and the adjectives are made feminine by adding a letter ta. This is golta, round shape ta. So at the end, the last letter before this ta takes a fatha. Mudarrisatun. It was mudarrisun. It was mudarrisun. The last letter was dhamma, but ta coming, so that is why it became mudarrisa. Su became sa, so mudarrisatun. So dear students, and we have learned that what we are going to learn in this lesson. First, the feminine hadihi we will do, which is the female version of hada. So it means this. Hada ibnu Hamidin. Ibnu Hamidin wa hadihi bintu Yasirin. The daughter, the girl or the daughter is female, so that is why we are using hadihi. Ibnu Hamidin Jalisun. The meaning is that Hada Ibnu Hamidin, this is the son of Hamid, and this is the daughter of Yasir. Ibnu Hamidin Jalisun. The son of Hamid is sitting. Jalisun, sitting. Wa bintu Yasirin waqifatun. And the daughter of Yasir, waqifatun, is standing. The daughter of Yasir is standing. Man hadihi. Who is this? Means who is she? We can say who is this? No. Who is she? Hadihi ukhtul muhandisi. She is a sister of an engineer or engineer sister. She is an engineer sister. Ahiya aizan muhandisatun. Is she also? Aizan means also. Is she also an engineer? An engineer? La. Hiya tabibatun. No. She is a doctor. She is not an engineer, but she is a doctor. Hiya tabibatun. Liman hadihi sayyaratu. Who is the owner of this car? Liman. For whom? Hadihi, this. As-sayyaratu car. Sayyara, because of sayyaratu is feminine, is female, so that is why hadihi is coming. So hadihi sayyaratul mudiri. This car belongs to the principal, or this is the boss car. Boss. I told you as in the previous chapter, mudir means boss or principal. Ma hadihi, what is this? Hadihi mikwatun. This is iron box. This is the iron box. Liman hadihi, for who is the owner of this and for whom belongs this? Hadihi li Khalidin. This is for Khalid. This is Khalid. This is for Khalid. And this, the owner of this iron box is Khalid. Adarrajatu Anasin hadihi. Is this Anas bicycle? La. Hadihi darrajatu Ammarin. No. This bicycle belongs to Ammar. Or this is the Ammar's bicycle. Hadihi jadidatun. And this is new. And this is new. Awadarrajatu Anasin qadimatun. And Anas bicycle is old. Hadihi sa'atu Aliyin. Is this Ali's watch? Hiya jamilatun jidda. It is very beautiful. Hadihi mil'aqatun wa hadihi qidrun. This is a spoon. وهذه ملعقة and this is a saucepan. الملعقة في القدر. الملعقة the spoon is in saucepan. هذه بقرة الفلاح. This is the farmer's cow. This is the farmer's cow. هذا أنف وهذا فم. This is a nose. This is a mouth. هذه أذن وهذه عين. This is an ear وهذه عين and this is an eye. وهذه يد. This is hand وهذه رجل and this is leg. Read and write. هذا مسجد وهذه مدرسة. This is a masjid and this is a madrasa. This is a school. من هذه? Who is this? هذه أخت عباس. She is the sister of Abbas. She is sister of Abbas. هذا ديك وهذه دجاجة. This is a rooster وهذه دجاجة and this is a hen. هذا ابن المدير. This is a boss son. This is the son of boss. This is the principal's son. وهذه بنت المدرس and this is the teacher's daughter. This is the daughter of teacher. هذه أم ياسر. She is the mother of Yasir. أين قدر اللحم? Where is the meat pan? Saucepan. This is the pan. قدر معنى pan. Where is the meat pan? Here في الثلاجة. That is in the fridge. هذا باب. This is the door. وهذه نافذة and this is the window. Let's move to the exercises. I have solved exercise tamarin. Tamarin exercises. Tamarin, this is the plural of tamrin. Exercises. اقرأ المثال وكون جملا على غراره. Read the example and make sentences on this pattern. They have given one example. We have to make the sentences on the same pattern. Muhammadun talibun. Aminatu talibatun. Second example is Hamidun tabibun. So what it will be? Fatibatu tabibatun. Huwa muslimun. The answer will be hiya muslimatun. Hiya muslimatun. Al-babu mughlaqun. An-nafidhatu mughlaqatun. النافذة مغلقة. المنديل وسخ. الشأي حار. القهوة حارة. المسجد بعيد. المدرسة بعيدة. الطالب مريض. الطالبة مريضة. الحصان سريع. السيارة سريعة. القمر جميل. الشمس جميلة. الأب جالس. الأم جالسة. I hope you are understanding. Now we are moving to exercise number 3. See there. صحح الجمل الآتية. Correct the following sentences. Correct the following sentences. حقيبة من هذا. So حقيبة is muannas. So هذا will not come. Here will come هذه. So it will be حقيبة من هذه. الغرفة مفتوح. What will come? غرفة is feminine. So مفتوحة will come. So الغرفة مفتوحة. هذا سيارة الطبيب. So what it will come? هذه سيارة الطبيب. طبيبي. Here هذه مفتاح السيارة. هذه no هذا مفتاح السيارة. سيارتي. هذا مفتاح السيارة. حقيبة من هذه؟ الغرفة مفتوحة. هذه سيارة الطبيب. هذا مفتاح السيارة. أين البقرة؟ هو في الشارع. The question is where is the cow? Where is the cow? So هو في الشارع no. هي في الشارع. Let's move exercise number 4. اقرأ واكتب مع ضبط أواخر الكلمات. Read and write the following sentences vocalizing the last letter of all nouns. So it is هذا لمحمد. محمد. It will come here محمد because lam is making it kasra. So there will be two kasra. لمحمد. أو وذلك لحامد. لمن هذه? We need to make it long. هذه لياسر. لياسر. الحمد لله. لله المشرق والمغرب. مشرق والمغرب. Here are few new words. الكلمات الجديدة. المكوات. المكوات means iron box. البقرة cow. الأذن ear. الأم mom. النافذة window. الدراجة bicycle. الفلاح farmer. اليد hand. الثلاجة fridge. جدا very. الملعقة spoon. الأنف nose. الرجل leg. القهوة. القهوة this is one kind of tea. القدر pan. sauce pan. الفم mouth. الشعي tea. سريع fast.